Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you how I made this beautiful amazing hair mask. Now let's get started with this video. The first ingredient will be banana. I will cut this banana in small pieces and put it in the blender. For today's hair mask, I will use 3 bananas. The measurement depends on how many people you are making the mask for and how much hair do you have. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. My next ingredient will be moringa powder. These are the benefits of using moringa powder on your hair. My next ingredient will be flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil contains omega-3, which can strengthen our hair. Now it's time to blend all of this good nutrition all together for our hair. This hair mask might not look so pretty, but it's definitely good for our hair. I added a little bit more of flaxseed oil because the hair mask was a little bit too thick. Now it's time to put it on my kid's hair. I just washed her hair because I tried to put hair mask on clean scalp. So I just shampooed her hair. Now I'm just going to apply this beautiful hair mask on her hair. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Now I'm going to put a plastic bag over her hair, and I'm just going to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. For my daughter who has low porosity hair, I will add some heat to help open up her cuticles. After 30 minutes, I will rinse out the hair mask with a lot of water. Let me know in the comment below if you have tried this hair mask, or maybe if you're thinking about trying this hair mask. After rinsing her hair with a lot of water, I will proceed with my regular wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider pressing that like button. And if you really enjoyed this video, why not subscribe to our channel for similar content? And why not share this video with your friend? Remember, when you press that like button, it'll let YouTube know what kind of video you guys like to see. So please press that like button, and we will see you on our next video. Bye guys.